Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are square menu banner for social media. You can download from the link in the description. Here is my website World GFX. Here in this article you can download from here. And here is this EPS format and JPG format, I guess. Yes. And you can edit them in any EPS editor. And here is, just wait for it to load this good quality images. Okay, so here is JPG format. You can see quality, resolution, and you can simply edit them in EPS Viewer or EPS editor any. Just wait. Okay, so here is the same thing in the EPS format, and here is JPG format. Here you can see you can put your own image paragraph over here. On branding you can see here. Here same thing. This is just a sample of editing. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.